Happy birthday, Joe. God bless you. Enjoy your birthday.
Joe, happy birthday.
Hi, Ito. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best, not just today, but always. Hok Du Tong Hai Siu Pi Lam San. Happy birthday again.
Good morning, sir. Our greetings to your birthday today. More cakes to slice, more candles to blow, and more blessings to come. Happy birthday, to. Always keep healthy and stay safe.
Hello, Sergio Marie. Happy birthday. It is with a deeper sense of gratitude and joy that I greet you today on your special day. Making people happy, especially with your service to the community, with your music, and I know these are all God's gifts to you, and you have been a very faithful stewards of these gifts. So enjoy your day, and I pray to the Lord that there will be more birthdays to come, and you will always be filled with gratitude for this unfailing generosity of God for you and your family. So happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday, sir. For more than 31 years as my boss, your leadership and support have been invaluable. Wishing you in this joy, success, and memorable moments on your special day.
To our beloved President, Mr. Jose Marie-Chan, Sir, happy birthday. A person with a grateful heart and a very compassionate towards your Biscom family. Wishing you many more years filled with happiness, together with your family, and may the Lord will bless you always. Once again, Sir, happiest birthday.
Ako si John Eden, mapablisin nyo. Tagay-rilo ako. Ipadala ko diri ni Boss Antonio Chan sa alinsang 1985 hasta strong area ko sa servisyo sila kumpanya. Tungod sa kaayo nila, nagalagan ako 40 anyos. Nakapatapos ako sa akong apat ka bata. Subong nag-greet ako kay Tonto Jumaris ang iya nga malapit na birthday. To, happy birthday. Si Lord na lang bala sa imo bilog na pamilya tungod sa kaayo mo samon.
Good morning, sir. Happy birthday. And thank you very much for sharing your blessings to us, the bonuses, at naman rin nakapatapos din pa eskwela sa among mga kabataan. And thank you for generosity and kind-hearted, especially to the poor people. And happy birthday, sir. More birthdays to come. And may the Lord showers you all the blessings and good health. Happy birthday, sir.
Hi, Toto. Mila here. Happy birthday. I wish that you enjoy your special day together with your family and friends. And I pray too that the Lord will bless you with good health, peace, and happiness as always. At siyempre, more birthdays to come. Love you!
Happy birthday, Sir JNC! God bless you!
Happy birthday, sir! God bless you!
Happy birthday, Sir JMC! God bless you! And we love you! Birthday, Toto Jose Marie-Chan, from Materials Control Department! Happy birthday, Sir JMC, from IT family. God bless and more blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Sir JMC! From Treasury Department, wishing you a happy birthday, more years to celebrate, and good health always. God bless, sir!
Happy birthday, Sir JMC! Pray for good health and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, sir! Cheers to another amazing year ahead.
Happy birthday, sir! from HR. We wish you a fantastic year ahead, filled with joy, success, and good health. Thank you for your inspiration and leadership. May your music and kindness continue to touch lives. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday, Sir JC! Happy birthday, Sir JC!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Sir JMC!
Department! Happy birthday, Sir JC!
Happy birthday, sir! We wish you a day filled with joy and so much fun. Thank you for your generosity, kindness, and unwavering support. Thank you for being an inspiration to all of us. Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday, Coach KMC! Wish you good health! God bless you! Happy birthday, Sir Jose Marina! God bless you from head department! Yay! Happy birthday, Sir JMC! Happy birthday, Sir JMC! Happy birthday, Sir JMC! Happy birthday, Sir JMC! Happy birthday, Sir JMC!
Happy birthday, Sir JMC! Happy birthday, Sir JMC!
Happy birthday, Sir JMC! Happy birthday, Sir JMC! Happy birthday, Sir JMC! Happy birthday, Sir JMC! God bless! Happy birthday, Sir JMC! Happy birthday, Sir JMC!
Sir, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir JMC! I love you!
Maligayong kaarawan sa imo, Sir JMC! Yay!
Maligayong kaarawan sa imo, Sir JMC!
Happy birthday, Sir JMC from Roland Berlanos!
Mayong kadlawan, Sir JMC, from Planters Relations Office. Happy birthday, Sir JMC!
We wanna say
Happy